Hello, my crafty and clever friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reusable Swiffer mop head. These are great. I feel really guilty about using those pads that come included with the Swiffer Wet Jet, and I wanted to do something about it. So I have a tutorial on how to sew this super easy mop head that you can throw in the washer and make a bunch so you have them on hand and you don't have to worry about laundry either. We're here today making a reusable mop pad for our Swiffer. I'm gonna go ahead and take dimensions of the Swiffer head that I'll use with my old washcloth that I'm going to attach hook and loop, also known as Velcro, to one side so we can easily affix it to the mop head. So our length here is about 10.5 and our width is 4 3/4 inches. I'm adding almost an inch of seam allowance because I'm gonna sew these together right sides and turn them inside out to finish. And we'll show you how you sew it right now. I've gone ahead and pinned my loop here about 2 inches apart. And this is a 1 inch wide loop. I'm gonna go ahead and sew them now. Just gonna top stitch using my widest stitch length, which on my Janome here is a 4. So forward, I'm gonna back tack. Finished sewing my loop to one side of my washcloth. I'm going to put right sides together of my washcloth. I'm going to sew around the perimeter, leaving about a 3 to 4 inch hole that then I can turn right side out and top stitch closed. Right side out now, and I'm going to just fold in the edges and top stitch this edge close. What's nice about using the white light terry cloth is that not only can you see that satisfying cleaning happen, but you're able to sink a white thread very easily to secure. I've gone ahead and top stitched my edges closed, so now my mop head is ready to try on. It's the moment of truth. We go ahead and put our loop onto the hook of the Swiffer head, and we can see everything aligns. And here we go. You're ready to clean.